Guwahati Half Marathon conducted by Technish IIT Guwahati. The marathon this year will be held on 9th April with the theme Run for Zero Hunger. Now I would like everyone on the panel to introduce themselves.
Hello everyone, I am P. Sashok Dole. I am the current Vice President of Student Gymkhana Council. Technish is one of the largest techno management event of India, and this year I am proudly announcing that Technish is celebrating its silver jubilee. IIT Guwahati has always played an important role in social awareness workshop and social service event, be it from organizing hackathons to flood relief campaigns. This year we are back with our 30th edition of Guwahati Half Marathon, which will be held on 9th April from 5 am. Like every year, Technish organizes the Guwahati Half Marathon for creating awareness in the society. This year, the theme of the marathon is Run for Zero Hunger, inspired by the second goal of United Nations Sustainable Goal of Development, which aims to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition worldwide. Through this initiative, Technish team will conduct a nutrition drive in which one person in need will be fed for every runner participating. So, the IIT Guwahati Student Gymkhana body wholeheartedly supports Technish for this massive event for initiating and raising awareness to end hunger and improve nutrition. Thank you.
Hello, I am Parth Rathod from Technish. Technish has always been a platform for innovation, and the Guwahati Half Marathon is no exception in that. This event is the event where fitness, perseverance, and human potential all comes together, and it is also a testament for the team Technish. Students not only push their physical limits, but also raise awareness about the issue of hunger in society. We are confident that it will inspire more people to not just take up running as their habit, but contribute to the cause of zero hunger.
And I wholeheartedly invite all of you to this Guwahati Half Marathon this year. As Parth rightly said, that this is a very beautiful city and everyone is wholeheartedly invited here for the marathon. And for us, this is not just an event, it's more of an initiative that we take. As a fest, it's our responsibility to contribute back to the society, and this is how we plan to do. Guwahati Half Marathon has had a wide history, rich history of social initiatives. Each year we bring up another important initiative that is important for society. And again, I wish everyone is able to witness this grand event this year as well. Thank you so much.
Much about the Guwahati Half Marathon. From last 13 years, we have Guwahati Half Marathon has been through Guwahati Half Marathon we have worked on many initiatives, and this year we are working on to reduce the hunger, and so here we come up with a theme for this year's Guwahati Half Marathon, Run for Zero Hunger. Through this year we want to focus on this. This is one of the sustainable development goals, and hunger is a global issue, and through this Guwahati Half Marathon we want to put in an effort to reduce the hunger and ensure that everyone gets no one is hungry.
Half marathon time, venue, participant, total participant.
So the date for Guwahati Half Marathon is 9th April 2023. The flag of time for 6 kilometer race would be 5:15, and for 6 kilometers it will be 5:30. And the venue is Deshbhakt Tarun Ram Furkan Stadium, which is inside Nehru Stadium. And we are expecting 5,000 plus participants for this year's edition of Guwahati Half. Prize money, there is a total of 2 lakh plus prize pool for all the participants, including 21 kilometer and 6 kilometers.
And participation criteria
Participation criteria, anyone can participate in 6 kilometer run, and age above 13 years can participate in 21 kilometers.
Well,